Hello and welcome to this episode of BlueAirways News. Today I have some news that's not really news, but it is still something that is new in a way. So let me just... On this day in 1994, Aeroflot Flight 593 crashed because a pilot of the airline decided to let his kid fly the airplane. His kid. You did not hear that wrong. On this day in 1994, a pilot let his kid fly the airplane. Now, without even looking at this, I can already tell you how it happened. So, there was a pilot for Aeroflot, and his kids were flying on the airplane, his two kids. And they came up to the cockpit to just say hi to him. Then he decided to let his kids fly the airplane, but not fully fly the airplane. First, it was his daughter, who he let sit in the captain's seat, and then he told her what to do. In reality, he was just manipulating the autopilot to make it look like she was flying the airplane. She thought it was very interesting. Then it was the older son, who was 15. He sat in the seat and he told him to fly the airplane. He again manipulated the autopilot, but then his son moved a little bit too much on the controls. This caused the autopilot to disengage, but silently. Because in the A310 they were flying, the autopilot could disengage parts of the autopilot instead of just disengaging everything. And there was not really any warning. So the pilots thought that the kid was not flying the airplane. They thought, oh wait, it's still the autopilot. It was not. Now the kid was responsible for the roll of the aircraft, the side to side. And the kid just kept rolling the aircraft until the airplane stalled and nosedived. The captain managed to get back into the airplane. The plane nosed up, stalled, and he managed to get back into the captain's seat when the airplane stalled. Then the airplane got down, they tried to pull back, and it was too late. They could not pull back in time. And at that point, 75 people were dead. Moral of the story: don't let your kid fly an airplane. And look whether the autopilot is disengaged, because I'm pretty sure there was a small light in the cockpit, I'm pretty sure. But make sure to look whether the autopilot is disengaged. Thanks for watching this episode of BlueAirways News. See you another day. And that's all. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.